This is Algebra 1, Lesson 24, Practice. These problems are going to be using the multiplicative property of equality to solve equations. You should try these on your own before you watch this video, or at least the first one. A, 3/5 x is equal to 27. They're multiplying by 3/5. We could divide by 3/5, or we could multiply by its reciprocal, which is the same thing as dividing. So let's multiply both sides by the reciprocal, and we'll see that these will cancel out, and we get x is equal to, we can put the 27 over 1, and we can see that we can cancel. How many 3's are in here? 1. How many 3's are in here? 9. 9 times 5 is 45. So the answer to A is 45. And you could check that. 3/5. Let me show you a little trick here. 3/5 times 45. That's really just dividing it by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. And then you multiply by the 3 and you get 27. And that's what we were supposed to get. So when you multiply by a fraction, you are dividing by the bottom number and multiplying by the top number. All right, now we have a mixed number. They're multiplying by 3 1/5. Let's divide by 3 1/5. Y is equal to 32 divided by 3 1/5. Let's change that to multiplying by something. But first, we're going to need to change this to an improper fraction. So let's do that. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16/5. So that's the same as 16/5. But we're going to need to flip it. So let's do 5/16. Let's put the 32 over 1 and cross cancel. How many 16's in here? 1, and in here 2. Multiply straight across. 2 times the 5 is 10. Over 1 is just 10. So our answer is y is equal to 10 for B. For C, they are dividing by 1/4. So let's multiply both sides by 1/4. This is going to cancel. X is equal to 20 times 1/4, you can put it over 1, okay? Or you can remember that multiplying by 1/4 is like dividing by 4. You can keep going back and forth with your inverse operations. And you'll find out here that your answer is 5. So C, the answer is 5. D, they're multiplying both sides, or I'm sorry, they're dividing. They are dividing the x by 2 1/4. So we are going to multiply by 2 1/4. That cancels. I'm going to multiply 5. Let's change this to an improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 is 9/4. Now I can multiply that 5 by the 9/4, and I get 45/4. Now that is simplified. They do not have any common factors, so that's an acceptable answer.